taking you skyward. You ready to rock it?
Hey you, it's your friend of the end, Chucky. Be seen at the end. I've been dying to take you on a killer ride. Better hold on tight. It's about to get chucked up. Wanna play? Nice try, but you won't get away from me. Everybody scream, Chucky!
Chucky!
Watch your head. All right, no more Mr. Good Guy. Time to speed things up. Now that's a better angle for my knife. Come on, I told you we'd be friends to the end, remember? And the end starts now. You may be safe, but I'll be back. Season 2 of my show starts Wednesday, October 5th on USA and Sci-Fi.